Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful technique called Mokume Gane. Let's start. I took 3 colors of polymer clay having contrast so the final design will be more visible. The clay was conditioned and rolled into medium thickness sheets. I'm making a stack of layers with the white sheet at the center. Trim the excess near the edges. Now I'm rolling this stack into a thin layer in a pasta machine on a high thickness. I'm dividing the sheet into 2 pieces and forming a stack, which will again be rolled into a medium thickness sheet. I took a texture sheet on which I'm spritzing some water to prevent the clay from sticking inside these small crevices. Apply more pressure while using the acrylic roller so the texture will be fully imprinted on the clay. Trim off the edges. I have 2 Sculpey blades, one of which is flexible and sharp and thin, which is very useful in this technique. Slightly bend the blade and always place it parallel to the working surface. Then slowly remove that top textured layer. You have to be very patient and concentrated during this process. Make sure you only remove the top thin layer. Practice this technique on scraps before you work on it. I ruined many pieces, to be honest. Burnish using paper so the sheet will be flat. Lift this thin sheet from the tile because we will need to attach this on a clay base, so the piece will be a bit thicker. How beautiful is this sheet with all the colors? You can use any base, textured or plain. I'm using sandpaper. I sprayed some water. I mixed all the scraps I trimmed earlier. I got this pink color. Texture this base sheet using an acrylic roller. Turn over the base sheet. Place the pattern sheet on it. And burnish gently with paper so there will be no air gaps. Trim off the excess. I'm using some clay cutters. Bake as per instructions given on the clay brand. These are the final pieces. I just attached some simple hoop findings as the design itself is bold. And the backs are lovely too, with a simple sandpaper texture. This is the bracelet I made using small square pieces arranged like a zigzag pattern. Back is lovely. I used some small jump rings and chains and an S-hook clasp and a scrap clay bead at the end. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel to see more of these creations.